Hello and welcome to this particular video in which I will be demonstrating you how you can create and manage your gradebook from the Moodle system so that it will be easy for the students to visualize their grades that they have obtained during the present semester. So here we go. On your course page in the left hand side you can find out a simple icon like grades, and if you will click on the grades icon you will be able to go to the grade menu, in which there are a couple of menus on the top row and a couple of menus are there in the second row. So all we're gonna do is just go to the setup row because we are going to set up the gradebook, and you can see that at this point there is no grades available in this particular menu. Let me put one grading item that is required for the grading to be done during the semester. Let's say this is midterm first marks, and we have to fill the marks that are about to be, yani if I am putting the marks from 20 I will put it 20, if it is 30 it is 30. Let's leave all the options like this and we'll save changes. Since this is a very quick review, I'm not going to discuss all the options with you, and we are in need for those options which are actually required. So let's put another grading item. I will be putting 4 to 5 grading items so that it becomes clear that how the grades are distributed over a mark range of 100 for all the students. After this, I'm again going to put one more gradable item. Let's say the problem-based learning sessions 1, giving a point of 10, again going for the save. Let's say yet another session, problem-based learning session 2 out of 10, and finally save the changes. So we can see that there are 60 points, and finally we will put the gradable item as the final exam, which you will put the grades later on. So this is 40 and we save the changes. So you can see all the weights, that is the percentages, are automatically adjusted by the system. So you need not to worry about the percentage calculation, and the student will be able to see all the percentages based on his evaluation. So finally you save the changes and you came out of the menu here, and as you can see that there are total marks, that is the maximum grades which is available here, and the weights automatically. Now let's say I want to give marks to a particular student. So when I will go to the gradebook, I can see there's a single view and I can click on that. All you can see is there is a gradable item, yani if you want to give the marks for a particular grade, you can say particular grade you can fill, or if you want to give marks for all the grades, you can leave it vacant and select the username. Let's say the username is Nair Khan and I select this user. So all what I can see is the total grades that are to be given to this user. Let's say he acquired 18 points from the first midterm, 17 points from the second. Out of 10 he is having 8 in the PBL, 9 in another PBL, and final exam we will leave vacant because it has not yet taken place. After I fill the marks for this student, I will save the system as it is, and a message will come that grades are set for the items. I will continue. So I can see that there is the marks saved. In case if you want to update the marks, you can directly click on the marks and you can upgrade the grades. So I have updated the grade for this user. Again a message comes and I'm done with it. Now you can see that this particular user has given marks, and if you want to see the report of a user, you can click up here. Again you can go from here. Since there is no report for myself, it will not give anything, and if I will select Nair Khan, so I can see the complete report of this particular user or the student. What the user is going to see is this. So these are the percentages and these are the marks that are automatically calculated by the system itself. So now this is the case when the teacher is doing all the stuff. Now let's try to demonstrate what happens when the student try to log into the gradebook. So let me again log in with the student credentials. Once when I log into the student credential, this is the course that I have created for the demonstrative purposes. The student goes again to the gradebook, and when he will go to the grades, he will be able to see how much marks he have got in each particular item. So it becomes very easy for you to send the results of the students for any particular evaluation criteria, and it will be easy for the student to go ahead and carry on with his total marks. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.